How's it going, guys? Well, the market's pumping. Kind of interesting. I'm going to go over the metrics here and let you guys know what I'm looking at for the weekend. I was actually going to stop doing videos, but I wanted to go over the metrics here. This morning, I ended up covering a few videos. If you guys ended up seeing those, I was looking for a drop to happen on VET. We did get a drop right after this video came out. I was looking for a drop on Ethereum. Yes, we did get a drop after the Ethereum video came out, but we're seeing a little bit of a pump here. And I did come out and say, where's the life on Dogecoin? And I want to go over these videos that I did because these did hold true. But I want to give you guys a look into the metrics here about what I expect to see over the weekend. So I'm not going to stick to one coin in this. I'm going to give you guys literally a full market update of what's going on and where I think the price is going to stall out, which might be what's most important to you guys. So let's take a look over the metrics real quick. I'm going to go between Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So let's take a look. I'm going to literally fly through here to give you guys everything you need in probably like 10 minutes. I'm going to try doing that time. Okay, Bitcoin, long and short trades. What's happening after the metrics updated this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time? Well, long trades increased and short trades decreased. This is a very bullish sign in the market for Bitcoin as a whole. Now, just because Bitcoin goes up, it does not mean other altcoins have to go up. I'm seeing comments saying, when Bitcoin goes up, everything else is going to go up. That is absolutely not true whatsoever. It usually, a lot of times, it will raise altcoins, but it is not the case all the time. And you need to be very aware of this. A lot of new retail traders are going to say when Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. That is simply not the case. I'll prove it to you guys right now. And I did this morning, but I want you to watch this. Look at this for Bitcoin. Follow me down here at the bottom. See this? It's May 12th. Look at May 12th right here to May 15th. What happened? A dropout like crazy. We crashed from May 12th to May 15th. All right, let me take you to ADA and take a look at what happened between May 12th and May 15th. Let's go over here. Between May 12th, can't even see the top, it went up so high. Between May 12th and May 15th, right here, we saw nothing but a skyrocket move to an all-time high. All right, this is proof to you guys that just because Bitcoin goes up, it does not mean that your altcoins are going to go up with it, okay? That is a misconception. I have even said on the videos that Bitcoin is the rising tide, and it is for a lot of altcoins, but some of these coins in here are acting independently of Bitcoin. Just like I showed you while Bitcoin was going, like literally while Bitcoin was crashing, ADA was at an all-time high. Exact opposite correlation. It's what's called a negative correlation. You guys are mostly looking for positive correlation. I understand it's true. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're both moving up right now, but I just wanted to give you guys that insight that not everything moves with Bitcoin or Ethereum. All right, let's go over this. The reason why I think Bitcoin is moving up so well right now is because the metrics updated and we saw a bunch of long trades in the market. So long trades are increasing, short trades are decreasing. This is a perfect sign for the price to head up. Okay, now follow me over to Dogecoin real quick. And you guys are like, oh, that means Dogecoin should be going up too. Dogecoin is still, as I called this morning, struggling. There has not been a move. We're still in consolidation. Look at the difference here. We are skyrocketing up here. Within a 4-hour period, we saw an incredible move up. Even on Ethereum, we're seeing a move up. But watch, the metrics aren't going to lie. Look at Ethereum too. If you take a look at Ethereum, you're seeing in here that long trades are increasing and short trades are decreasing. This is helping the price pump, okay? This is why I love metrics. You guys got to come over here and get your membership over here. You can manipulate news. You can't manipulate volume. You can't manipulate volume data, okay? I'm going to go over the institutional smart money, and I want you guys to watch that, but I just want to make this clear, okay? Now I'm going to move over to Dogecoin. I'm wondering where the life is at because while long trades are moving up and short trades are moving down on Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's happening here over at Dogecoin? I'm not trying to bash Dogecoin. I own Dogecoin and I don't want it to go down. I'm just going to report unemotionally about what's happening here. Look, long trades are drastically moving out of Dogecoin and short trades are drastically increasing. This is clear from a money flow perspective that this is not going to have a great chance of pumping up with the market. So when you guys are like, if Bitcoin goes up, you expect Dogecoin to go up, that is not true. That's not true with the altcoins. What you need to watch is the money flow behind the altcoins, behind the coins, behind the tokens. These metrics here, what it does is it looks behind the chart. When you look behind the chart, this is how we can predict the future. These metrics in here are what are called leading indicators. Let me explain that again. A leading indicator is basically it comes out and says, when it prints a signal, it tells us what is about to happen in the future. A lot of indicators out there are what are called lagging indicators, and what happens is they print signals based off the price structure. When price structure happens, a signal gets printed. It's a lagging. This is a leading indicator because when we see a move down for short trades, this is telling us, hey, leading into the future, we expect to see the price go down, and that's what happens. When we see a bunch of long trades in here, this is leading us into the future saying, hey, we're expecting to move back up. So let's go over here and take a look at how high we could see Bitcoin going and what we could be looking at for the weekend. I just want to show that to you guys. It's very important you understand that metrics, volume-based on-chain metrics like we have over here are very important. And just because Bitcoin goes up doesn't mean other things need to go up. All right, for Bitcoin, what's the target? For the weekend, 35,000. That's it, 35,000. I think if we start heading up, we're gonna stall. We're gonna crash around 35,000. Okay, that's my official call. If I'm wrong, I will own it on this channel. I think 35,000. It correlates to a descending resistance line, and it also correlates over here. If you go to the metrics and you go down here to the support and resistance, there's a ton of resistance around here at 34,671. We have one at 34,285 and 33,702, 35,517. Right around this area, 35,000 is where I'm looking to see a crash. I'll even come out here and put a horizontal line here for you guys, just so I can keep everything transparent. I want you guys to be able to come on this channel and be like, wow, he called it good, or he called it and he wasn't correct, but he owned up to it. Like, that's what I really want to do for you guys. So I'm actually going to make this an official call here of 35,000. I am looking for a definite stall around this area. So I'm going to sorry guys, can't put commas in there. There we go, 35,000. So I'm going to keep this up here where I think we could see a stall and then a move back down. What I'm watching over the weekend is definitely going to be watching this metric right here, which is called the Well Institutional Smart Money. So we're on Bitcoin right now, and then I'm going to move over to Ethereum and Dogecoin. Okay. Historically, what do we have in our favor to tell us if we're going to keep heading up or moving down? It's all of the behavior of the institutions and smart money from past history and past data. When we get down to this section, I'm going to zoom in real far here. See where we're peaking down here? It's right around this minus 600 metric mark, okay? 600. If we start heading down to the 600 mark, because currently we're sitting right here at about 400. If this pushes down to 600, I am looking for Bitcoin to stall out and start heading back down. This is telling me that large money and smart money is looking for short trades on this move up right here. I wouldn't doubt if we start seeing a red candle move down here and we start seeing a stall here, maybe a little bit more of a pump, but a stall and then a move back down over the weekend. So watch that. Again, mark these words, guys. Like, I understand we could keep heading up, but I don't think we're going to head up and blast too far past 35,000. I do think we're going to see a move back down. Watch these metrics here closely. All right, now let me go over to Dogecoin. I'll cover that for you guys real quick, and then we'll end this video. Sorry if it's longer than 10 minutes. Dogecoin, on the other hand, we really need to see life move into Dogecoin for this to end up being a good setup. Let me get over to Dogecoin. Sorry, I'm still on BTC. If over the next few days, you guys have a membership over here, you guys need to be watching this. I'll start here. The emotional index, if we get anywhere up into the excited and the greedy section for Dogecoin, I will be selling my 100% of my Doge. Absolutely. I'm just going to give you guys a full heads up on that. Last time I got up here, we could not sustain it and we crashed. We got up here and we crashed. We got up to greedy up here. We could not sustain it. And that's basically the top of the market cycle. And we crashed. We got up to greedy up here and we crashed. It's very true that holds true for Dogecoin. Okay, over the weekend, we have to see long trades increase and short trades decrease. If this keeps going down and long trades go down and short trades increase, I don't think Doge is going to move up at all. It's probably going to come back down over the next 2 weeks and look to test 16 cents again. That's just the simple supply of money. You can't have something go up when long trades are decreasing and short trades are increasing. It can't happen, okay? It's like impossible, literally. So I want you guys to watch that as well. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. These metrics you guys can access over here, and make sure you're watching them over the weekend as well. Take a look at this real quick before I end this video. Well, in institutional smart money, watch this carefully this weekend. We have now dipped down into the short trades area. I wouldn't doubt, if Dogecoin tries to get a pump up here, we're probably not going to head any higher than maybe 25 cents. That would be like the maximum I would see us heading. I do not think we're going to hit 25 cents over the weekend. I think that's very aggressive. I think over the weekend, if we see any type of pump, it'll probably be around 21 or 22 cents. And even that, I'm not confident about until we start seeing this metric look more positive. So this is what you guys can watch to help you guys predict what's going to happen in the future for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and all the other metrics. If you guys want a membership over here, guys, go ahead and snag it. Nothing's hidden here. It's $49 a month. Come and snag it. Get access to all these metrics. Even the live trades over here, you guys can take a look at that, and you can access these right now to have them over the weekend. I will come out on a video Monday to show you guys what's going on, and we'll cover these predictions in here. If I'm right, I'll cover it. If I'm wrong, I'll totally own up to it, and I'll show you guys what the metrics look like. But please, watch the metrics just how I am over the weekend to help me manage my trades, and I'll keep you guys updated on Monday with what happens. God bless you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.